Hey guys, and welcome back to Frenchie's Road Trips. Today is a technical video on Ben changing my Freelander 2 DAB module in the car. So how do we know that it needs changing? Well, the last week or two it was coming up with no reception on the DAB frequency, and that was quite strange. And then we lost FM and AM frequencies, so we had nothing. And the only way then to get it back was then to turn off the car and back on again, and then we had everything back. Then we lost it again, and we were like, right, okay, this is a bit strange. So we plugged in our Alltel computer, which we've used in the servicing videos, and you'll see on one of the videos we've done, and it was pointing towards the DAB module in the car. There was something faulty. So with that, we decided to look at the unit and basically just take it out and replace it with another one, which I got from a breaker's yard, £50, which I thought was quite ideal. And yeah, in this video Ben will show you how to swap that out. It's really easy from what we understand, and yeah, we will show you outside. We'll see you in a bit. So you join us in the back of the Freelander 2, back of my car, and we are starting to take apart where we think, or where we believe, the DAB module is in here. And we're going to start by putting the seats flat, and then we've got to take out the dog guard. That needs to come out, that's in the way, and then a few other bits and pieces. The dog guard out of the way. Our first step, getting to this DAB module in here. Okay, so I think the next thing we're going to take out is this floor, the boot floor. Get that out of the way. Gives us a bit more room. And we've got to remove the dog guard brackets, take those out. So, well, just the one actually. You just need to take the one dog guard bracket out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah. Take the dog guard bracket out from this side to try and take out this left plastic covering here. See how we can go about it. One bracket removed, that's all we need to do. Right, then we've got to work out how we're going to remove that as well.
Yeah, it makes life a bit easier.
Okay. Just a little plastic trim piece down there, a little clip.
Okay, put that over there.
Yeah, right the way. Do a bit of hoovering, I suppose.
Right, so then I think the seal wants to come out.
Yeah, take the well, you remove it so far, I guess.
Yeah.
Turn that around.
And then this trim here, because that overlaps.
So remove this boot trim, yeah. Okay, so just peel that away. Like that. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's okay.
I thought it was separated, I think it was all one piece.
Yeah. Okay.
Should we just pop that, I think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a finger biter. Blimey. Got a bit of a nest in there. Let's get the Hoover. Crikey. Give that a clean, I think, before we put that back. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, quite easy to remove. They can break easy those, can't they?
They can,
yeah, they can. Okay.
See how we get this.
It should all just be on poppers, I think.
Yeah, should be fairly straightforward.
Oh, I'll tell you
On
what,
the other side.
there's that D hook there. I'll take that out because that will hamper things.
Oh yes, yeah, it will do. Yes,
That'll hamper things, I'll take that
take that D hook out. Actually get away with not having to remove this whole piece, and it looks like in there's our got some
grease on it.
yeah, there's our faulty DAB module. So that's there. That's our trailer
Tow module.
Yeah, trailer tow module. That's okay. So yeah, we will go and get the new unit and put it in. Hopefully it works. Give this a quick hoover. Put the new one in. Give it a clean. There's 3 cables to remove. Got your black one, orange and a blue one.
So they're just little push clips and then pull out.
Oh, yeah.
That one's on the side. That one's at the front.
It's quite straightforward.
Easy enough.
Yeah.
And there's 3 10mm nuts there to undo.
Yeah.
There we go.
Ah,
That's it.
ideal.
Time for the new one.
Yes. I'll put the new one in. Second-hand DAB module, which is actually an older unit. This one was made July 2010. The other one was 2012. Yeah.
Same as the car.
Same as the car. So we've actually got an older unit. So yeah. Right. In it goes. And we were just commenting how poor design this is in here. Really bad. You'd have thought that these holes here for the actual unit would line up with the bracket on the car, but they don't. We've tried it either way, and this is obviously how it came out, and they just do not line up. You've got one hole there, 2 holes there for the actual unit, but they just do not line up with the bracket of the car. So yeah, very, very poor design. So we've got to use these nuts, try and secure it back in place. And we were just wondering whether or not it's because it's got the trailer tow module fitted below, but that wouldn't make any difference. It's these just do not line up with the actual units. That's a very, very bad design. But very easy to replace should it go wrong. This unit cost £50 from the breaker's yard. So this is a very cheap and easy swap out. These units are very expensive if you buy them brand new, aren't they? I think.
Yeah, they are.
Very, very expensive. So at the fraction of a cost, £50 from Breaker's Yard, got ourselves a replacement. Put this one in. Tighten that one back up. Put our connections back in. Pump. All in?
Yeah, there we go.
Oh yeah, okay. And then you've got, I suppose, put the plastic cover back on.
Yep.
Okay. So let's make sure it works. Okay, let's go inside. Go around, yeah, I'll go into the back. Let's have a look. Right, a bit of luck. Yes! Hooray! Now I have DAB. That's very good. Brilliant. So yeah, that is how you replace a Freelander 2 DAB module if you have any sort of reception issues, like we had poor reception, and then we lost AM and FM, and now we've got it back. So yeah, that's how you replace a Freelander 2 DAB module.
There we go, so a nice easy video, little technical video for you guys on how to change the Freelander 2 DAB module should you have any problems with reception, or if you lose those frequencies, so the FM, AM and DAB frequencies, if you lose them, it might be worth having a look at the DAB module, just checking that the connectors are okay, which probably they most likely will be, but if you can get your hands on a second hand one, like I did for £50, it is quite a cheap fix, so hopefully that will help you out there. If you like these videos, please give us a like, a comment in the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon and you'll get the latest notification of when we put out the video. We will see you again, cheerio!